It's the Tampa, Florida weather discussion. This is for Thursday, the 24th of January. I'm Michael Groff. Showers and thunderstorms around this morning. We've even had a few severe storms in parts of the state, although mainly to the south and east of greater Tampa Bay. How about the weather for the rest of the day and the weekend ahead? Do we have any more rain in the forecast? Let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday. We managed to get to 80 degrees at Tampa International. The low 61 outside right now. Of course, we've got that rain coming down, moderate rain and 2.5 miles visibility. Currently 66 degrees out there, dew point at 64, humidity 94%. Wind from the southwest at 13, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning were mainly in the low and middle 60s with all the clouds and the rain. Things are fairly uniform out there. And you see on the satellite, there's our cold front coming through. And the main band of the strongest storms and the heaviest rain is coming through right now. And our severe weather threat will be diminishing over the next couple of hours and should be gone entirely here before long. The watch warning map, no high impact events going on across central Florida. Presently, we did have a tornado warning earlier this morning in sections of Manatee County, but now just a couple of significant weather advisories off to our east. Elsewhere across the country, some blizzard warnings up across the Dakotas, Minnesota. The wintry conditions continue there. And of course, in the northeast with the same system that's bringing our wet weather this morning. Here's the convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe storms in eastern North Carolina and here across central Florida, from Tampa down to Fort Myers, Naples, just to the north of West Palm Beach up to Orlando, Palm Coast, Cape Canaveral. And again, this threat mainly is focused on strong gusty winds. Yeah, there might still be an isolated tornado, especially over on the east coast of the state as this cold front comes through and the best dynamics go through there. But at this point, it looks like the severe weather threat is winding down over the next couple of hours. Precipitation valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. In excess of 3 inches in parts of South Florida around Miami. Here, less than an inch now. That includes some of the rain we're getting this morning and under 1/4 of an inch for the Panhandle. Let's get into the details of our weather now. To do that, we'll take a look at the models. Here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. There's our cold trough and cold front moving through here today. And so showers and thunderstorms this morning. We'll see partly sunny skies by this afternoon, though. High temperatures in the upper 60s, about where we are now. That's about as warm as it's going to be today. In fact, temps will probably be going down as we go through the afternoon, and it will be windy as well. Tonight, partly cloudy, breezy. Lows mainly in the mid-40s. And then tomorrow, sunny and cool. Highs around 60. Saturday looks pretty good. Partly cloudy skies. High temperatures, low 60s. Saturday night and Sunday still tracking a very weak system and maybe a little bit of moisture that could come on in here. We'll put a 20% chance of rain in for Sunday. I really think most of the day stays dry, though. Partly cloudy skies and highs in the low and middle 60s. Monday, again, a small chance that we'll see some rain in here. But it's not going to be an all-day thing, just maybe an off-and-on shower. Highs, again, mid-60s. Tuesday, we've got a cold front coming in from the west, but this thing looks to run out of gas as it comes our way. The models continue to trend drier, so I guess we'll mention a chance of a shower by next Tuesday night into Wednesday. It'll switch the winds around, and temperatures will fall back a couple of degrees with this, back to around 60, maybe the low 60s. Then a week from today, this is Thursday, the 31st. Cold trough over eastern Canada extending into the eastern continental United States. We stay with slightly below average temperatures, but conditions should stay dry. And then here we go out 10 days to the end of the period. Saturday, the 2nd of February, a flattening ridge to our west, a zonal flow in here. And that looks fairly dry and temperatures kind of close to average. Maybe we're still maybe just a couple of degrees shy of normal. Temperatures off the European ensemble through the period. And looks like highs are actually going to stay below average for a while around here. I don't know if we're going to have highs down in the 50s too many of these days, but otherwise, this looks pretty good. Below average temperatures should continue for at least the next 7, maybe even out to 10 days. Then we'll see a moderation as we go into early February. And that's going to do it for the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, and suggestions encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe out there and have a fantastic Thursday.